If you're like most Instagram users, you probably approve tags automatically. But sometimes you might want to choose not to be tagged in a photo or post, and that's easy to do. In this video, I'll teach you how to manually approve tags on Instagram and select whether or not you want to be tagged in a photo or post. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And select Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, tap on Privacy, and then Posts. And now you'll see a section called Tagged Posts, and under that, you'll see an option called Manually Approve Tags, which is turned off. Choose who can tag you in their photos and videos. When people try to tag you, they'll see if you don't allow tags from everyone. So go ahead and tap on that. And then toggle this on. Tag Controls, Manually Approve Tags. So one thing to keep in mind is that previously tagged posts won't be affected by this. You just have to go back and untag yourself from those posts because this setting only affects future tags from people. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.